Once there was a frog that fell into a vessel of hot water. The water was still on a gas stove. The frog did not try to jump out of the vessel and stayed in it instead. As the water temperature rose, the frog adjusted its body temperature accordingly. As the water started reaching the boiling point, the frog could no longer maintain its body temperature according to the water temperature. The frog tried to jump out of the vessel, but with the water temperature reaching its boiling point, it could not bear it and couldn't make it. The frog died. What's the moral of the story? Sometimes, things do not happen the way we want them to. But no matter how unhappy we are with the situation, we must spring to action to face the problem head-on. The frog in the story is indecisive and stubborn. Instead of jumping out of the water immediately, he waited until he could no longer bear the heat, dying in the process. Know when to adjust to specific situations and take appropriate action before it's too late.